Welcome to today's video. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, we're going to learn how to make SEO fun. Usually SEO is a admin work or strategic work or implementation, but today we're just going to be making it a little bit more fun using visualizers. So as you see in front of my screen or your screen as well is Screaming Frog. So this is a absolutely essential tool when you're doing SEO. And what's pretty cool about it, it's free for the first 500 crawls. So you want it, but you want to use it very, very wisely if you are not planning on upgrading. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to scan your website right here at the top. I'm not going to make a whole video of what these are, what this means, but just going to jump straight to the fun part. Awesome. So right above SEO Screaming Frog, you will see there are multiple tabs there. The one that we want, or the one we're looking for, is called Visualizers. And let's click on there. So under that, you would find that there's a drop down of um, bunch of lists. So a visualizer practically just shows you an image base or a certain different format. The pages on your website, are they crawling and so on. So the first ones are sort of PDF, so you don't want to be using that, but we want to use the fun one, which has diagrams. So we want to just go on the 3D force direction crawl diagram here. And if you click on it, a nice page will open for us. And you see what looks like COVID-19, which is not COVID-19. It's practically just a visualizer in 3D, just making our work a little bit more fun. But what's pretty cool is you can zoom in and hover on top of any page and you see details about it. So you would see that, and also where this specific page then leads you to. What's pretty cool about as well is not only can you look like you're 3D modeling, you creating 3D models, is that you can also customize. Like for example, as you see, non-index websites I have set to purple. So you can also customize it by hovering on top of there and just selecting a color of your choice. So obviously you want a distinct color. The original one is actually red, so I actually played around it before. Awesome. And that's how you do it practically. So it's really nice way of knowing what's not indexing, as you can see on your website, and also seeing it in 3D. So which is pretty cool to play around with. There are more options as you see here. You can search for specific URL in case you want to get a new fresh one. It's depth. You can choose unique links, word count. See as you see here. Yeah. Expand to levels, so you can decrease this if you're using more money. You can see that. So one, let me just go to one quickly. Yeah, so it's just your ball game the way you wanna play it, but the whole point is just to make SEO a little bit more fun. So this is not sizes, link length, 30 characters, or link opacity, background color. You can practically customize and just have fun while you're doing your work. Awesome. For more videos like this, please follow, subscribe to our channel. We release these tips on a daily. Comment down in the description and so on. To the next video. Ciao.